Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, aka Timo Irvin. Today is April 25th, 2020, making today a Saturday. This week we're gonna be analyzing the week of April 27th to May 1st, 2020. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below. Remember, today we're gonna analyze the week. It's gonna be the pre-week for April 27th to May 1st. Tomorrow, Sunday, we're going to be analyzing the entire data, the entire week analysis. So in order for you to see what is coming tomorrow, you have to subscribe. Other than that, you will not get the video, all right? So let's move on to our next step. Just a quick disclaimer here. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of what? And hundreds of pips. That's why we come here every week to collect these hundreds and hundreds of pips. And guys, I'm making a awesome I'm creating a course so you guys can hopefully learn forex in a different way as well. So I'm working on that behind scene, and hopefully that will help you out. All right, so let's move on. Make sure that you also subscribe to my FX book for every news that happens every week, every day. So remember, whatever I'm going to be telling you today is subject to be changed based on the news that are going to be released this coming week. So please pay attention. And like I said, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Let us know if you have any question, and we're going to get to see the video. Remember, this is for the week of April 27th to May 1st, 2020. And this is the pre-week analysis. If you want to see the full analysis, you have to subscribe so you will be able to see it tomorrow, Sunday. All right, cool. All right, let's move on and let's get to work. Let's see what do we have for this week. All right, we're going to start with gold. Look at here, guys. Look at here. I gave you this about 3 weeks already. I remember when I was telling you the triple arrow formation was going to be here right before the triple arrow form. And that's exactly what happened. Look at how simple is the triple arrow, guys. Look at prior to this. Triple arrow gave us a bullish market. Market took off. Now, market went bullish. Oops. Let me grab the right tool because I always like to grab the wrong tool. See here, I told you guys the market was going to go up. And then I told you last week, the market was going to come down. And then was going to do a pullback. Pullback is over. Finito. Now, what are we expecting to see for the week of April 27th to May 1st is we are looking for a bearish market. So we're looking for a market to come back and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From that line there, from that Fibonacci line, we're looking to see a small pullback retesting our 23.5, and then it's gonna give us a continuation of the trend as bearish market. So hopefully this makes sense. If you guys have any question, my private Telegram is below. All you have to do is send me a message and I can see how I can help you. If I had to create a video to try to help you out, I don't mind doing. But the only thing I'm asking here is only if you are honest to yourself, because that is the only way that I can help you. So the only way that I can really help you. Let me delete this. So this is what I'm saying for this week, right? So the only way that I can really help you is only if you comment below. Let me know what problem you're having. Let me know if you want me to make a different video. All right. That is the only thing I'm asking. Another favor that I'm asking for everyone, that it help the algorithm of the YouTube, if you give us a thumbs up or either you give us a thumbs down. Either way is fine. So we just looking for your honesty. If you're finding value out of this video here, just be honest. Just be honest and give us whatever you think we deserve. So remember, we are here giving you a honest opinion. We're not here to make it up or lie to you. No, we do a live session. We come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time where we analyze the market with you live. In the last 5 weeks, we have lost only 2 trades, guys. In the last 5 weeks. So this is going to be the 6 weeks. So I'm kind of like tracking it because it's pretty awesome. To be honest, it's a pretty awesome record to have 5 weeks and 2 losses is a damn pretty good record. So I'm very proud of the work that I do here behind scenes, and all this is to you for free. All right, let's move on and let's go ahead and analyze the next pair. This pair is on Euro NCD. Look at the time frame. A lot of you guys are saying, Irving, can you always talk about the time frame? Please never stop doing that. You know what? I do read your question and I honor every question, and I take everything very, very serious of what you're saying. Look at here, prior to that, market gave us a bearish market drop. Then the market gave us a pullback triple arrow. This is what I always tell people. If you're going to be trading pullback, be careful, because pullback will kill your account if you don't know how to do it correctly. Please pay attention. If you want me to discuss this with you, my private link is below. Make sure you send me a message and then we can wrestle this. So my Telegram link is in the description of this video. I had 2 Telegram in there. One that is public, where I usually pull setup sometime, and the other one is where it's gonna come back straight up to me. All right. So look at what I've been telling you guys. I've been telling you this week market is gonna go up, and then it's gonna do a pullback. I've been telling you all that. So what I'm expecting to see this week is to see one more push, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. Right. That's what I'm expecting to see this week, as one last push, retesting our 23 fifth, and then from there the market finally will drop as bearish, because this market here, if you pay attention here, guys, let me kind of like teach you something pretty cool. In this area here, what we're looking here is we're looking for basically what it's doing is doing a consolidation market here. That's exactly what it's doing. So it's not like doing anything else. So, but that's what it is. So that's what I'm saying. This is gonna do exactly what I'm saying. Well, not exactly, but hey, that is my best educated opinion of what the market is gonna do. All right. So hopefully this makes sense. If you have any question, let me know. Comment below. That's the only way I can help you. And remember, make sure you subscribe, because if you want to see what is coming tomorrow, Sunday, for the full week analysis, I will not drop the link on the super easy chat room. I will not do that. I just want you to come in and get to see the video if you're really interested and learn from outsiders. Okay, so this is the only good thing that I'm doing for you guys. All right, let me drink some of my water, which I call it wine, right? Because I love to explain. I love to come here and help you out. All right, let's go to the next pair. Let's go to USD CHF. Look at what I have here. I have it on what? On 1 hour. This is gonna be the last week that I'm gonna do it on 1 hour, guys. But pay attention what the market is doing. The market is giving us a what? The market is giving us a bearish market. Another thing that a lot of you guys are saying, Irving, can you also write it down on the chart? That helps me a lot to really know where's the triple arrow is. So if you pay attention here, the triple arrow here is equal to a sell position. That's what the market is doing. So but what we're looking for here is a continuation of the trend to continue down for another few more pips, retested our AA line here. And then from that AA line, the market will take off as bullish market, retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna go ahead and reanalyze this pair with you. So in my opinion, what I'm looking here, again, like I said, I'm looking for a bullish market, a continuation in this particular area here. And then from there, it's gonna do what it did. But right now, so far, what the market is doing a sell position. That's what it's doing, guys. Anyway, the triple arrow is clearly giving us a sell position. That's what it's giving us, sell, sell, sell. So all we need to do is wait for the pullback to finish, or grab some few pips. Remember, these are not signals, guys. This is just an educational purpose, trying to help you out so you can squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market. All right, we cool with that? If so, we're gonna move on to our next pair. Make sure if you have any question, please drop it below. That is the only way that I can really help you out. All right. So, guys, let me show you something real cool. before we move on to the next pair, because a lot of you guys, I realized that you guys need to see it. Like they say, Urban, how much is the triple arrow? If you want to grab the triple arrow, the link is below in the description, guys. It's like I get this consistently over and over again. They do get my Telegram, but for some reason they don't want to click on the link. So let me bring this video here. All right. So this is a video that I created last week. Let me see. All right. So when you go to any of my video, always click here on the show more on the description, and it has the box there. Let me make a circle here so you can see it. See here. Let me. Oops. Let me create here. Let me grab this. Let me grab the tools so you can see it. Let me make a box here. Did I grab it here? Actually, let's do it from here. Look at here. So see, everything is here, guys. If you pay attention here, we have what? The triple arrow link is there. Well, we're gonna be giving you $20 cash back if you sign up. My private Telegram, where you need, if you want me to help you out with your setting up your chart or fix your chart or whatever that I have to do, that's what it is. My private Telegram is there. My public share Telegram is there as well. I have a Robinhood free stock if you want to grab a free stock. I have a SoFi online finance as well, the broker I use. Everything is there. Even the social media platform is all there. Even though I also have a book 101 if you want to do that. So it's that everything is in inside of the description. So please read, guys. This is the only way. So because I'm bringing this up because I'm getting a lot. Irvin, how much is the triple arrow? The link is there, guys. Just click on it. If you want to grab a license, we're gonna give you $20 cash back. Okay, so that's only if you want to. If not, it's fine. Keep doing what you're doing and find success your own way. All right, let's go to Euro USD. Look at what I have on Euro USD. Pay attention what the market is doing on this particular pair. What I'm seeing here, guys, pay attention. Triple arrow is giving us a bullish market. That's all you need to know on this particular pair. Our care is that I'm doing a bullish market. So that's what the market gave us in that time. So and it's doing it so far. Market went up and then it gave us a small pullback, and then it would be creating a what? A consolidation area here. But now this week, what I'm looking for this particular week is the market to go bullish and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. From that area, it's gonna do a small pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. Then the market will continue as bullish. Like I said, that right from that area where the market is doing, I'm looking for a bullish market. So look, pay attention what the triple arrow is doing. The triple arrow is telling us the market is bullish. All I have to do here is what? Buy. Stay on the buy. But remember, this is not a signal, guys, but that's what I'm looking for, this one. And then from here, I'm expecting to see a small pullback. Small pullback, and then the market is gonna do what? It's gonna continue be a bullish market there. We're gonna come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, where we're gonna review today's analysis with tomorrow, which is gonna be April 26, 2020. So remember, this is gonna be the last week of April. Make sure you start nice and fresh on May so you can make tons and tons of pips. So remember, all this has been brought to you by our triple arrow system, and our office is still working behind scenes, creating another version of the triple arrow where you're gonna get it for free once it's full release. That's only if you sign up using our link. All right, so do you guys have any questions so far? If you guys don't have any question, make sure you tune in on tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is gonna be probably we're gonna drop what? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more trades. So we're gonna analyze 10 more, and hopefully all those make sense to you. And then we're gonna reanalyze it back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. and hopefully we can squeeze hundreds and hundreds of people. Remember, in 5 weeks we had lost only what? 2. Now that is a very, very nice trust record that we do here. So very, very proud of the work that we do behind scenes. So all right guys, so I don't know if you guys have any question, because if you don't have any question, guess what I'm gonna do next? Can someone guess? We are what? We are gonna go home.